DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. I don't know what time it is. But before we even jump in all that, first of all, I want to take this time to wish y'all a happy 4th of July. If y'all hear noise and then like music and explosions and all that, it's 4th of July, gang. So I ask that you bear with me with the noise. You know what I'm saying? But happy 4th of July, gang. I hope you're enjoying your holidays. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoy the weekend. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, gang, you don't know. You don't know, so you don't stop, you know, man. You see me, they are back with none other than blood clot. They not like us himself. Mr. Kendrick Lamar, the Drake killer. According to some people. You see me, the nigga that united all of LA, all of California. You see me, I say? Yeah, man. But they are with, this man is a diabolical ass nigga, bro. The man is diabolical. This man dropped the official video on America's birthday, bro. 4th of July, nigga. You trying to make this an Independence Day anthem, nigga? What the fuck? But anyway, gang, we gotta check this shit out. This nigga Kendrick Lamar is diabolical, bro. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna check this out. So you know, say every 4th of July, they're gonna bum not like us. God damn. This man, Kendrick, is diabolical, bro. We're not even gonna hold up vibes with Changa. We're gonna jump right in the tracker. Yo, wanna see the video? You know, the official video better go crazy. You know what I'm saying?
I am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. High key, keep a horn on me. That could my seat. IP ownership. The blueprint is by me. Mr. Get Off. I get off at my feet.
Oh, I'm about to say that. I don't remember not like her starting like that. So he added a little. Okay.
What's the password?
I see dead people.
Oh shit. What's the password? I see dead people, nigga.
You late.
Aye. Mustard on the beat, ho, Depot, any rap nigga, he a freak throw. Man down, call like Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro. Nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas try?
He got a cramp walk and all these bits. Oh, come on.
See Compton, the industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many ops you really got? I mean, it's too many.
These are the, if y'all don't know these niggas, these are I think this is a crump crew from LA. Like they like the king of crumping, you know what I'm saying?
Options, I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the bottom with God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walk him down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the floor.
Come on, man. This shit hard. I like how you ain't doing too much. The vibes that he giving off is just like chilling everybody else crip walking on this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like everybody crip walking on Drake's grave, nigga. Oh shit, come on.
Him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop.
God damn. That's like the famous line, like that's like kill Drake and his whole crew, like right there. You know what I'm saying? He's just like naming out niggas, dog. That's lining them up, dog. Jesus.
Fuck them up. Wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
Wait. Is that a pinata, Drake? Wait, I didn't see that shit. Hold on.
Now and Baka got a weird case. Why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop.
Who's that?
Wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired?
What was the disclaimer? Disclaimer: no overhears were harmed during the making of this video. Oh shit! Shot fired, nigga. What the fuck? Disclaimer. Read the bottom of the screen. Disclaimer. No hovios were harmed during the making of this video. Okay. Come on, let's go.
I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
That was the most deadly, disrespectful line to Drake's career. Just trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. That shit just ruined that, man. People have been saying that shit for decades.
They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul, I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches, go. The audience not dumb, shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow.
God damn, the man got the whole Compton, the whole city out.
Your hole is still deep, I can go further, I promise. Ain't there some B-rest stands for bitch and you Malibu most wanted. Ain't no love boy, you ball boy, fish Gatorade.
Out here in the bumble Ferrari, nigga, out here, nigga, stop playing.
Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie, be flipped over your boxes, or over your foe. The other vaginal option, pussy, nigga better straighten they posture. Got famous.
That shit was crazy. The OVO, the other vaginal option. Then man call you pussy straight to your face, nigga.
All up in contact, might write this with a doctor. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action, no accident. I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Grow, he was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home. Y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy need.
Man, say I'm glad D-Rose killed it. Yo, this nigga does hate Canada. I don't think this is Drake. I think it's all Canada. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I might say, yo, I'm glad D-Rose came on. Y'all ain't deserve him neither. You know what I'm saying? I think
subpoena, that predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the wrong label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, one.
Come on. Come on. Yo, but this is no Kendrick gangster. You see me? And Kendrick's a hypocrite too at the same time. But this nigga say, yo, Drake, put the wrong label on me, nigga, I'ma have him dropped. That was a double entendre, you know what I'm saying? That's basically this nigga, if you try to accuse me of the shit I'm accusing you of, nigga, I'ma get you murked. That's what this nigga said. Nigga said, put the wrong label upon me, no. I'm gonna get you dropped, you know, nigga. You see me? Like you might say, yo, try, you know what I'm saying? Dirty up me name, I'm like, but you out here calling this man a old. That's crazy.
I'm glad he wrote.
Yeah, but we don't Kendrick though.
From Alondra down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the block. Ay, put the wrong label on me, I'ma get them dropped.
See, they put the wrong label on me, and I'ma get him dropped. You see me? I'm gonna say, yo, don't try, can't accuse me, I'll accuse a final.
Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, here's 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside.
Come, you know, easy, man. Jeez, oh, look at all this shit. Come on.
They not like us. 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 They not like us.
Damn.
Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta.
Settlers was using town folks to get them richer. 2024, you got the same agenda. Cause you a settler, he's trying to say, yo, oh shit.
And when you need a check balance, let me break it down for you. This the real nigga challenge. You caught Future when you didn't see the
Future is a town folk.
What little baby help you get your lingo?
Little baby's a town folk.
What 21 get your first street cred? Thug make you feel like you a slime in your head. What Quavo said you can be from North Side. What 2 Chainz say you good but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars.
You ain't on.
No, you not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth for the matter.
And this nigga with his wife and kids that Drake said beat and they not together. You know what I'm saying?
It was God's plan to show y'all the liar.
Oh shit, she creepy too.
He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God.
Oh, stop playing.
Hey.
We got swag though. Hey, Kendrick be gone so long, nigga forgot how much swag Kendrick had. You know what I'm saying? For real. Like even me watching it, I'm like, oh shit, I forgot this nigga got swag like this. This nigga got vibe. I forgot this nigga was a cool ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga that's chilling in the. You know what I'm saying? But that's what happens, nigga, when you're not in the media like that.
For your life, freaky ass nigga, he the 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he the 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Say OV ho. Say OV ho.
It's YG, dog. Ah, nigga got everybody in this bitch.
Then step this way, step that way, then step.
There go fucking that nigga from
Step this way.
Oh shit, he got fucking everybody from Cali, nigga. Vince Staple.
Step
and this nigga from the fucking thing their podcast, bro. From No Jumper, bro. No, sorry, Baki on Fake. Nigga, cause that guy shot in the leg. You know what I'm saying?
Then step this way, step that way. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way. Then step this way, step that way.
Come on, Kendrick. Got the owl in the cage, bro. He got an owl in the cage. Oh shit. I got an owl in the cage, nigga. Why does the cage bird sing, nigga? Are you saying Drake a cage bird, bro? I don't know. A lot of meaning behind that shit. You see me? Kendrick just symbolically defeated his enemy, you know what I'm saying? You call yourself an owl and you just put an owl in a fucking cage, nigga. You his pet. Oh shit, you his pet. I don't know. There's a lot of meaning to that shit, bro. There's a lot of diss. Kendrick is a deep thinking ass nigga. Drake is too, but Drake just fucked up in this battle, nigga. Like that. No capper! Well, you don't know Kendrick, the diabolical black clean genius, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, this bumbo clot, you see me? Yeah, put the stamp on Drake's coffin with this bitch. This nigga dropping on Independence Day, bro. That means every 4th of July, they gonna be playing this shit in Compton. Every 4th of July, this shit gonna come back up. This nigga know what he doing. You feel me? First he did the concert on Juneteenth. You know what I mean? So Jay, every time you come to this shit, it's gonna be all bad for you. It's just gonna be all bad, dog. This nigga, called Juneteenth, is gonna be the concert every year. And they gonna play that shit because you technically they united over your defeat. Then 4th of July, the official video drop, nigga. So I'm sorry, this man is just... Kendrick, stop it. You're a bully now, bro. You're a bully. Nah, I'm calling it. Kendrick, y'all bully the man now at this point. Cause you're dropping this shit on all the nigga, like, damn. You know what you're doing. Every holiday, this shit gonna be brought back up. You see what I'm saying? And then you have other tracks that was a diss that you ain't dropped no video for or promote yet. So bro, if you drop, please don't drop what the Family Matters on motherfucking bro, if you drop that shit on fucking Halloween and then Thanksgiving and Christmas, oh hell no. If you drop the family, what do you think Family for one drop? You drop that shit on Thanksgiving, bro. You are diabolical. You know what? I done the video yesterday. Coming to give ideas. But anyway, gang, drop your comments in that comment section. Let's see me drop your thoughts and get the dialogue going. Cause I think this man gonna drop a video. I feel like you gonna do something on Halloween and Thanksgiving, bro. Maybe even Christmas, bro. Cause he got like what, 4 more songs. I think this man gonna drop them on every holiday, bro. Drake, you gotta push your distance, bro. You gotta remind niggas how hard them, man. Personally, Drake technically killed Kendrick from when he dropped that Tupac. From when you dig up Bumba, Kendrick, and Kendrick haters don't dislike the video down here. I'm just saying, just think about this shit. If he ain't get that much backlash on that song, Kendrick could have been dead, bro. This nigga took your mentor. That was disrespectful as hell. And there's no limits to disrespect. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But hey, drop your comment section, man. This shit crazy. I'm just here enjoying this shit. Big up Kendrick. You already know. I rock with both of these artists. I'll be rocking both of these artists before them, boss. So yeah. Drop your comments. Let's get the dialogue going. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.